Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords uthando nesithembu. Hey. Alright, Umacele decides to enter or to welcome Umakwela, right? Umakwela angene kube right awelkhanywe. Okay, sharp. That was not alarming. That was okay. But now girl uthi, I'm not even gonna ask her age. I'm not even going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any woman, hear this statement. Any woman that sleeps with a married man is old enough. Guys, do we still call them married men even if they take his stamp or sitting married single men? What do we call them? But nonetheless, amamgele, I think they lied when they said she was not aware that Umakwela is coming because she had bought flowers. The blanket could have been pre-bought, but not the flowers. So girl gave Umakwela a blanket, a dugu, and flowers. What's in with these flowers, as you carry them like this, putting the flowers on her chest, you are saying when you are welcoming yourself in this family, and you understand that this family has a lot of different kids. Now these different kids have different dynamics. Like you can see she made an example with the flowers. These flowers are funny. They're in one bundle, but they are not the same, meaning you are going to get different types of children in this family that are not the same, but they are in one bundle, meaning bonke bakamseleku kodwa abafani and anyeke sibatreat ngokufana. Hayi, Makwela shem kumuntu ojabulile. Girl is very happy. Girl nje, her happiness is on another level because she was received well by the matriarchy, being Umacele, being the first wife. But then Umacele wathi angeke introduced kwabanye abafazi and stuff because she is not the mamazala of the family. And I'm like, girl, you have been acting like the mamazala of the family. You've been acting like Umam Flo, Umugok Flo, Mam Flo. Thanks, ma. Lights. Like you've been acting like Mam Flo lights. But nonetheless, wamamukela kahle, ukele wajabula waze waqela ukuthi umusa abalethele ikhekhe. Naku umusa uyaseva, umusa athi angeke ngiphinde ngiyenze lento yokuthi ngilethele abafazi ngetray, but sengikwenza manje because ngisemseni kaMacele. uMacele mele ngimseve kulesikhathi lesi because uvume into enkulu. Uvume into enkulu. Matriarch lo. Kuba first wife kunje uyatatazelelwa. All right, sharp. And then I decided umseleku ukuthi uzohlala noMayeni. Kule meeting yakhe noMayeni, he then addressed the issue yokuthi uMayeni akasamazi, uMayeni umlahlile, uMayeni moved out from home. Umayeni said, you know exactly why I moved out from home. But now we are realizing ukuthi at some point there was food poisoning when it comes to what Umnini had eaten. Honestly, truthfully, I think ukuthi it might be rotten food, it might be truly poisoning, it might be what. But at this point, the level la Umayeni angamfuni ngakhona naye uMakhumalo, this whole thing kuzothiwa uMakhumalo opoisone umntana kaMayeni. And you know how the pain will land kuMakhumalo, considering ukuthi she has no children of her own. Girl has never given birth, right? Yes, she's raising Umpilo, but she does not have children from her own womb. So imagine how this will sit. Imagine the pain Umakhumalo will feel if vele she'll be the culprit, because one way or the other she is going to be the culprit. And they also discussed ukuthi uMayeni walotsholwa 2009 so other people know better, and then they keep ama-file wokuthi uMayeni ulotsholwe 2007 not 2009. But if she's the one that is saying 2009, who are we to disagree with her? Who is Mseleku to disagree? Because everybody is saying she was lobolat before and Ukuru is stuck on the 2009. But maybe it's because of all the emotions that she's going through, all the things. And also remembering Guti, they are in a polygamy setup. Vele Umnini might have been poisoned, right? But it's unfortunately something that cannot be proven, that cannot be certain. And Umseleko is like, no, asikwazi ukuyiprova. And Mabaveza was going to come next. It seemed like it also created conflict, this whole thing, considering Uguti Umayeni wants to be heard. Umayeni wants to be understood. Umayeni wants somebody to sympathize with her. But the person that is supposed to sympathize with her is not doing that currently. All right. Then Banlo, Umseleko, abize abantwana bakhe laba bayi-2, the boys, right? Ulwandle, guys. I'm sorry for calling him the wrong name on the previous video. Ulwandle noSibindi. In that, Lokhunja beka address what had happened on Izingane Zesithembu, addressing the behavior and stuff, and also addressing the fact ukuthi uSibindi stood there, watched abafazi bakhe balwa, and did nothing. He preferred to look good, his suit not to be tainted or get dirty by abafazi abarhwebhanayo, but literally he did nothing while his wives to be were in a quarrel, and the fight could have gotten physical. So Umseleko wakhuza lokho wathi isithembu asibanjwa kanjalo. Izwane-ke uSibindi, hear what uSibindi said, this child engizophuma la ngimshaye eTV. uSibindi wathi mina if ubaba did things the way ngizenza ngakhona, we wouldn't have a lot of quarrels. Izinto bezizoqonda because I say one word and I'm done. I don't beg, I don't discuss. So meaning ukuthi ubaba wakhe uyancenga. And remember Umseleko always emphasizes ukuthi I do not beg necessarily because I'm scared for the wives to leave, but I beg because in a polygamy setup, you need to understand that you cannot always be right, and also you need to brush egos so that your wives feel comfortable and they feel needed. But izinto lezi azishoyo kuma-diary sessions, woo, like he shocks me every time. He would say a bomb, ayilahleli bomb, Umseleko nimangale nithi sho, he's not going to come back from this one. Abuye sekaxolisa Umseleko re makale kaofela hore ntato a shile Umayeni athi lo girl lo musha usazongena ababaza athi lo baba. But with that said, akhulume futhi noLwandle, and with uLwandle he was addressing the fact ukuthi no matter what conflict, no matter what happens, you should not be upset to an extent where you want to get physical with your siblings. In anything, any situation, any case, you do not fight with your siblings. You do not get physical with your siblings. Your siblings are supposed to be protected by yourself. And because they're supposed to be protected by yourself, any action that you take is supposed to put them first. And I was like, Viva Mseleko, I really, 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 really liked that advice. Asihlakane lana siboneni ke ukuthi next week bathini. But what is your take on the whole episode? How are your feelings? Because I think this is a topic that we also need to discuss, because Uthando Nesthembu is showing us flames, proper flames. Yeah, this is your girl, Disable D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching thus far. I love you. Peace. Bye.